Happy Wednesday, everyone. Hope you guys are having a great week. I want to thank you again for all of the terrific comments and questions and stuff on Drew's short sign, that boom sign. Anyway, I had a blast with that one. Thanks again for watching and all the support. So, in regards to that, I want to answer a question real quick. Someone asked me, why number one, did you use two different kinds of paints, and more importantly, why didn't you just stick with one or the other rather than both? So let me explain, and I may have already, but let me go over it one more time. The reason I use these is because on inset carving, I don't have to be real careful. If it slops over the edge, this stuff sands off. But this doesn't really cover very good on a very flat surface like an outset letter. I like this stuff better because it flows really good. It covers pretty much in one shot, especially if there's a finish on it. But even if it's like on those boom letters, I had to give it, actually on that whole boom sign, I had to give it 2 coats, but that's because it was on bare wood. A lot of times I put this on top of a finish. But anyway, so I use this for outset surface stuff. I use this for inset stuff if I need a different color other than the black or what the ink comes in. So I hope that kind of clears that up. That's why I used both on the same sign. Inset, outset, basically. Okay, that's that. Sign carvers of the day. We haven't done one for a few weeks, so I want to go over some. Oh, by the way, if you want to see me using both of those, go back and watch number 315. Video 315. Anyway, all right, sign carvers of the day. Let's rock and roll with this thing. Put this away. All right, first off, Jeff Hansen. This is for his brand new son that was just born. Now, the ones I'm doing, just so you guys know, the ones I'm doing are from late April. So this is Marty. Back in Minnesota. Yep, back in Minnesota. Again, late April. These guys, their skills are probably past this now, but I'm running a bit behind, like 4 months. Victoria Mealer, Sweet V.
That's an awesome sign.
Down in Georgia. Very nice sign. Great job, Victoria. Roger Woods. Now this one's interesting. This, he said it took longer to paint it than it did to carve it. But it's actually a logo, but it's all wood, it's all freehand carved, but everything, I don't think you see any wood at all, it's all carved. This one's really cool. Paul. So this is 6-inch by 15-inch cedar fencing, and he put a teak stain and lacquer on it. Terrific job for his 6-year-old daughter. Bob, what does that say? Bob Porter?
Portales?
Portales, yeah. This is for his daughter and son-in-law.
Second time.
She drives a Hummer 3 and he drives a Jeep. So these are actually, if I'm not mistaken, these are actually chairs. These are actually like seats. You can actually sit in them, I think. Very cool. Very well done. Lonnie Tinney. Cool logo. Yeah, so this is for a friend that owns a bar. This is his first paid sign. Terrific job, Lonnie. Jeremy Power. What does it say after that?
Memory of Debbie Ann Paris. That's awesome.
And this is his first paid sign. Again, another first paid sign. Yeah, terrific job. I love the way you framed the picture and stuff. Great job. Bob Colt, I think. This is for a rugby team. Hull FC is the name of the team. Terrific job. I love the little logo in there. All right, now I have to turn these sideways. Jeremy Bowman. Now I have to kind of see. Oh, that's an elk. Beautiful elk. Great job. Some great stuff, guys. Daryl Sago. So this is interesting. This isn't LED lights. It's actually, well, I guess it's kind of, but it's a neon rope. And he got it from Amazon. And I've been thinking about trying something with that. I think it's a little bit different than the LED lights that I've done. I haven't done anything with a neon rope yet, but they're out there. Hal Nelson. Mm-hmm. And this is his first sign. Very well done for your first sign, Hal. Congrats, man. Gabe in Hawaii. Very first sign again. Terrific. Beautiful board. Great job for a first sign. Gary Litchfield. I know Gary. Isn't that cool? I love it when there's logos like that you can get some color involved and some artwork. Terrific job. Nice job, Gary. John Saunders.
Not a Star Wars fan at all.
Select Pine used the SC50 in the profile bit. Terrific job. Nice artwork on there. Great job, John. Ken. How do you say that last name? Fenelon. The top dragon is carved. The bottom is scrolled and overlay. A Welsh dragon from their flag.
From Wales. North Wales.
Yeah, that's from their flag. Great job. Beautiful. Billy Burt. I know Billy. He's got his own YouTube channel. You guys ought to go check him out. This is, I think, what does it say on the sign?
Second sign.
But
it says The Messy Studio.
Yeah, that's the name of his channel. Go check out his YouTube channel, guys. He does some great stuff. First sign from Bill Herring. Yeah. So this is laminated 2x4s. Terrific job for a first sign. Some great first signs here, guys. David Mason, another first sign. Oops, I'm upside down. Did I write it upside down? I did. Well, the sign's right side up. Great job, David. Another great first sign. Gary Zellner. Nice bench. So this logo is for a store that he sells his signs in. They have Gary customized slab benches that they sell. So he actually customizes them for people. Now here's one cool. Jason Pitt did some baseball bats.
Wow.
I've carved baseball bats, but never quite like that with a flat bottom. Terrific job, Jason. Well done. Deidre Edwards.
Deidre Edwards, yeah, very nice.
And what's it say? Fifth sign? Fifth routed sign. Love the colors. Great job, Deidre. Levi Lawson in Oklahoma.
Okay, you're flipping it back. There you go.
What's it say? Widow's son.
The underbook that catch I took, and will I break it never. The underbook.
This is a Mason's logo right there. The Mason logo. Nice job, Levi. Patrick Harnish. Check that out. The top is carved. The bottom is vinyl layout. He now has an order for 12 smaller ones for auction, and they want more after that. Lots of business.
Awesome.
Yeah. So he took that and made the sign out of it. Fantastic. Beautiful job. 30 inches by 30 inches. Scott Harris.
First sign? Wow. Beautiful.
Made from an old table found at a garage sale. You know what? I've heard that many times. You can find old furniture and repurpose it and take tabletops, and it saves you from having to laminate something. Great idea. And some of that old furniture you can get for almost nothing. Raymond Vatter. Now this, I don't know if my printer was going out or what, but I think or my printer ink, but I still it's the best I could do with what I had. I think my ink was almost out.
Very first sign.
Live Edge for being his first sign. Man, he's got some straight lines there for being your first sign. Great job, Raymond. Ben Lipinski?
Lipinski.
Yeah, I love it. his third clock made from laminated pallet wood.
That's cool.
A lot of work in there. Great job, Ben. Yeah, it is very cool. I love the border that he put on there. Danny Hapner.
Cool.
I like that style of letter. I don't know what it is, but I like that style.
It's called that.
You have that style?
I have that. I do have it.
You have that? I really like that style, and that would be very forgiving, guys. If you're, that's the kind of thing that there's not a lot of real straight lines, not a lot of curved lines. It would be very forgiving using that kind of font. Nick Saint Amon. God, this guy just every time he carves a sign. Now, I've got some more in the pile.
Hold the corner up.
Oh, I wasn't holding it up straight.
There.
So getting lots of business through his Facebook page.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah,
There?
Yeah. Well, back just a little. It's there. You go.
Okay. Does that show it better?
Yeah, I just couldn't see the.
Yeah, look at that design.
Awesome.
Cool stuff. Great job, Nick. Blow me away. Mark Winfield, one of his first signs.
That's awesome.
Beautiful. I love that artwork.
Very cool.
Great job. All right, guys, we're going to lay all of these out and get one last shot of them, so we'll be right back. All right, here's the last shot on these. Very impressive, guys. Just, you guys never cease to amaze me. The talents out there in these designs and this artwork and, you know, mixing different kinds of things. Not just signs, but you got chairs here and baseball bats and you got all kinds of stuff going on. Love it, love it, love it. You guys are doing amazing work. So we want to thank you guys again for watching and for all the support and all the nice comments and everything that you guys support us with. We so appreciate it. And we will be coming back on Friday. I got a demo I want to do on Friday. A couple different things I'm going to go over on Friday. Answer some questions and give you some insights. So, you want me to come back around there? Anyway, guys, hope you're having a great week. We are. We got some pretty exciting stuff coming up. Some pretty neat projects that Vicki and I are both going to do. Again, I want to do another demo on Friday. And the next few weeks are going to be kind of cool. We got some neat stuff coming up. So, hope you guys have a great week. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to. And don't forget to click that little bell icon. That tells you when we post videos, which is 3 times a week. I'm on Instagram every day, Make a Wood Sign. And if you guys have any questions, any comments, anything I can help with, be sure and email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And there's the channel, which you guys are on. There's the website. If you guys need supplies, you guys know what the deal is. We sell router bits and layout stuff. If you didn't know, that's the website for supplies. If anything we can do for you, we're happy to help. All right, guys, have a great day, and we will see you on Friday. Bye-bye.